Hi everybody. Today we're reading a couple of books about different birds. The first one is called Ducks, and it's written by Deborah Underwood. Ducks! Look at them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, look what this duck is doing. What is she watching? Is she watching a butterfly? Yeah. Yes, she is. No ducks. Oh, no ducks in the pond now. Oh, she's surprised. Where did the ducks go? Ducks. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Oh, she can hear them, but she can't see them. Where are they? Oh, that wasn't ducks. No ducks. Squawk, squawk, squawk. That was a band with 3 people playing instruments, but not very well. Ducks. Oh, look what she sees. What does she see? Footprints. Yeah, they look like duck footprints, don't they? Yeah. No ducks. They weren't duck footprints. They were the footprints of a boy who was wearing special things on his feet to swim with. Yes. Oh, now look what she sees. Ducks! Oh, what does she see? A lot of feathers. Well, ducks have feathers, don't they? Yeah, lots of them. Do you think this is ducks? Oh, no ducks. Look what it is. A boy and a girl having a pillow fight. And the feathers are all coming out of their pillows. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ducks? What do you think? Think it'll be a duck? No ducks. Oh. Mommy, it says. It looks like a little lizard, but it's not a duck, is it? This sign says duck sale. So the duck says, ducks? Oh, but they were toy ducks. The kind you can wind up and put in your pool and they'll swim around. They weren't real ducks. Oh, is he ever going to find real ducks? No ducks! Anywhere in this whole city, there are no ducks at all. Oh, come on. Oh, he's feeling sad. Look, there's a little tear coming out of his eye. And he sees a sign and it says, lost dog. Somebody's looking for a dog that got lost. Yeah. So he puts a sign up that says, lost ducks. That's a good idea. Oh. Right next to his pole is another pole that has all kinds of signs about lost ducks. Wow. Or ducks that are lost and don't know where they are. Oh, but look. There they are. Ducks. Yay. They're all back home again. He had a really hard time finding his other ducks, didn't he? Yes. That was a good story. I like that one. I don't have any songs I can think of about ducks, but we could sing about, oh, I know a good one. How about If You're Happy and You Know It? Do you remember that one? The first thing we do is clap our hands, remember? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap, clap. Stomping your feet is next. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three, clap, clap, stomp, stomp, hooray! Good job! That was fun. I love singing like that. All right, our next book is called 5 Fuzzy Chicks. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what they do. This is written by Diana Murray. This is a fun book. Out on the farm, it's been a long day. Sun's setting low, night's on the way. Yeah, everybody's getting fed. Everyone's tired, all the work's done, but 5 fuzzy chicks, there they are, want to run, 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 run. Look at them. They're running, aren't they? Run, 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 run. The 5 fuzzy chicks run past the plow into the grass and under the cow. Do you see that? The cow says, moo, moo. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the grass is so cozy. Oh. One chick falls asleep. Oh, right underneath the cow. 4 fuzzy chicks skip by the pigs, hop on a rock, and dance silly jigs. The pigs say, oink, oink. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the moss is so soft. What do you think? What do you think is going to happen? I think you know, don't you? One chick falls asleep. He fell asleep right under the ear of a pig. Looks pretty comfy, doesn't it? Well, let's see. 3 fuzzy chicks, we're down to just 3, dance in the clover, hop past the fence, and right over Rover. That's the dog. The dog says, woof, woof. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the dog is so snuggly. Oh, look how snuggly he is. Oh, what do you think's going to happen? I bet you know, don't you? You're pretty smart, you know. One chick falls asleep. Oh, right there on top of the doggy's head. Yep. 2 fuzzy chicks, skipping along, pass by the horse and sing him a song. The horse says, neigh, neigh. The chicks sing, cheep, cheep. But the hay is so comfy. You know, don't you? One chick falls asleep. Look, there he is, right with the horse. One fuzzy chick, out to have fun, hops by the sheep and counts every one. Look at all those sheep to count. And sometimes when you count sheep, you get sleepy. The sheep say, ba, ba. The chick starts to cheep, But before she can finish, she falls fast asleep. Oh, right there. Right on top. Oh my goodness. Chicks sleeping here, chicks sleeping there. In the grass, by the stable, chicks everywhere. Mama hen hurries to gather her troop. She scoops them all up and runs back to the coop. She finds them all in all their little sleepy places. Yeah. And there she is. She's getting them all. She's bringing them back to where they belong. She whispers, cluck, cluck. The chicks whisper, cheep. They're looking kind of sleepy again, aren't they? And their nest is so quiet, 5 chicks fall asleep. That was very good listening. Thank you for listening. I had fun reading to you today, and I hope you had fun coming to story time this way. I'll see you next time, okay?